Today I'll be showing you how to create a bootable USB drive with Windows 7. Now you will need a Windows 7 DVD. Any of these will work just fine. And you will also need a USB with at least 4 gigabytes, which is what I'll be using today. Next, you're going to want to open up your command prompt window, and you can do that by going to your Start menu, selecting All Programs, Accessories, and selecting Command Prompt. Once the command prompt window is open, you want to make sure that you're in this directory. Now the first command we're going to type is going to be disk part. This is going to open up your disk partitioner. Next, we're going to type in list disk. This is going to show your available drives. Now disk 1 is going to be my USB drive, and you can tell by the size alone. So we're going to go ahead and select disk 1. And then we're going to go ahead and clean the disk. And then we will go ahead and create a partition. And then we'll go ahead and select the partition. And then we'll go ahead and make it active. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to format the USB drive using the NTFS file system. Now this will take several minutes, so we'll go ahead and fast forward through this. Okay, now that we're finishing up the formatting process, you can see 100% completed. Alright, the formatting process was successful, so we're going to go ahead and type in assign, and then we're going to exit the disk partitioner. Okay, the next step is we want to upload the boot manager from our DVD, our Windows 7 DVD. So what we want to do is make sure we got the right drive. So as you can see, my DVD drive is D and the removable USB drive is an F. So now we're going to go into the D drive, which is our Windows 7 DVD, and we're going to type in CD boot. Now we're going to go ahead and upload the boot manager to our USB drive using this command. Alright, and F is going to be our USB drive. Alright, it was successful and we uploaded the boot manager. Now what we want to do is we want to copy all the contents from our DVD, our Windows 7, over to our USB drive. And so we're going to want to go back to our C drive, and we're going to type in this xcopy command. Alright, and the D drive is going to be our source where we're going to get all the files from. And we're going to copy it all over to F drive, which is our destination drive, which is the USB. Now it's going to begin to start to copy every file over, as you can see. Now this will take several minutes, so we'll come back when it's complete. And we have finished copying all the files over to our USB, which means it is now a bootable USB drive for Windows 7. And now you can use this to boot off a computer. You just want to make sure that that computer is able to boot off a USB. And basically, when you start up your computer, you just want to go into your BIOS and change your boot options so that it will boot off the USB, and just enable it and set it top of the priority, and then it'll boot off your USB and you can load the Windows 7 operating system onto your computer. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.